Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Indu. I make videos on makeup, skincare, hair care and lifestyle. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some lip care mistakes that you might have been making. If not all, at least some of these that is contributing to even more dry chapped lips. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. One of the most common lip care mistake that you might be making is you are licking your lips a lot. And what happens is when you lick your lips, you are applying saliva on your lips, and our saliva contains a lot of powerful enzymes that helps our body to digest the food that we consume. But what happens is these enzymes are very powerful and harsh for our lips, and it is not good for our lips, to be honest, and it is making your lips even more drier. And also one thing, when you apply saliva on your lips, what happens is the saliva just evaporates in the air and it takes away all the whatever moisture was there on your lips, and you are just left with even more dried chapped lips. And then again you feel the need to lick your lips and apply saliva on it. I know it sounds gross, but that's how it is. So please stop licking your lips. I know it is a habit and it will take some time, but trust me, once this habit is not a habit anymore, your lips are not going to be chapped all the time. Now moving on to the next one, and that is you might be not exfoliating your lips enough or even not at all. So just the way we exfoliate our face, our body, our scalp, it is very important to exfoliate our lips as well. Try to exfoliate your lips at least once or twice a week. Take a lip scrub or even use a toothbrush, whatever kind of exfoliation you like, but please make sure that you are exfoliating your lips at least once or twice a week. I personally don't like to scrub my lips, and also one thing, most of the lip scrub says that you can consume it afterwards after you are done scrubbing, but please don't do that because you don't want to lick your lips, and you know why. And also one thing, I don't think it is hygienic that you are like scrubbing your lips and all the dead skins are in the lip scrub and you are then just consuming it. It is not hygienic as well. I personally like to apply a thick heavy layer of lip balm on my lips, and once the dead skins are just softened up, I take a wet cloth and just massage it gently all over my lips, and that way all the dead skins just comes off very easily. Moving on to the next one, and this one might break your hearts a little bit, but avoid using fragranced or flavored lip balms. Now what happens is when you used fragranced or flavored lip balms, you tend to lick your lips even more just because you want to lick that lip balm, and you end up consuming that lip balm and also licking your lips even more. And then you already know what happens when you lick your lips. And you know what, if you are using a lot of lip balm throughout the day and still you are feeling like you need to apply a little bit more of that lip balm, just stop using that lip balm. That means that it is not moisturizing your lips enough. That's why your lips are getting chapped again and again. Just replace that lip balm, and when you get to a point where you use a lip balm at least once or twice a day, I think that's the one to go for. Otherwise, just don't invest in lip balms that make you apply it all throughout the day again and again. Now moving on to the next one, and this is like kind of a hack that I do, that is using a little bit of water on top of my lips before applying a lip balm. Now what happens is when you do that, the lip balm is just trapping in all the moisture in your lips, because our lips does not have any sweat glands or oil glands, so it does not produce any natural oils. So when you do that, you are actually trapping in all the hydration in your lips, and the lip balm is just creating like a protective barrier on top of your lip, and your lips just does not get cracked or chapped very easily. Now moving on to the last one, and this is probably the most important one among all of these, that is, if your lips are always chapped and cracked, that might be because you are not hydrating yourself enough, you are not drinking enough water, and also you are not consuming enough zinc, iron and vitamin B complex foods. If you don't know which foods contain these minerals and vitamins, just google it. You will get a lot of food options, and from there you can just choose what you want to consume daily. Just make sure that you are having a lot of water and also adequate amount of these minerals and vitamins. And yes, I have covered most of the topics that might lead to cracked or chapped lips. I hope you like the video, and just let me know in the comment section below that whether this video was helpful or not. And if it was helpful and you like the video, then you know what to do: like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.